So today I am doing a review of the Calailis Magnetic Eyelash and Eyeliner Kit. Let me just quickly show you the entire kit. So it comes with this cardboard packaging. This is how the kit looks. It comes with 10 pairs of magnetic eyelashes with 2 magnetic eyeliners and a small applicator to apply the eyelashes. Original MRP is 2,193, but I got them at the cost of 1,064 and I bought them from Amazon. This is how the eyeliner looks. This is how the wand looks. How to use these magnetic eyelashes. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you shake the bottle of the liner well, and then you need to apply the liner. Since I'm already wearing it, so I will just show you on my hand once. So you just need to draw a line. Wait for at least 1 minute for it to dry, and then you place the eyelash on top of the liner. Quite easy, isn't it? Let's quickly jump into the swatches of all the eyelashes.